Hey there at the Fix Plan, Julie from K-Dad Rescue Connection coming at you today. We have a crazy transport. I mean a crazy transport. We had to rent a van. I know we just paid off our van, but guess what? We can't fit 7 huge dogs in our van. And here's some of them right here. We've got this one right here. We've got a Great Dane. We've got another one down here that we gotta hide. We have this one right here. I don't know if you can see him or not. There's another one we can't see in there, another one hidden, and then that Merle Great Dane right there that we took about a week ago or so. And so all these dogs are going from the boarding facility for Arizona Mastiff Rescue. So Julie's signing out for now. You know what? Big dogs certainly can't drive, and especially at the end of a pandemic. Take care. Bye-bye.